हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पी और नोट्स सेंटर। तो आज हम करेंगे टेस्ट नंबर 9 और ये है पॉलिटी का ही है। तो 1 से लेके 9 तक अभी आपने पॉलिटी का ही किया। इसके आगे जो आएगा वो इकोनॉमी का आएगा। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना टेस्ट। और अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ कर लीजिए। और यहाँ पर बहुत सारे टेस्ट वगैरह कराए ही जाते हैं कंटिन्यू। तो ठीक है, पहला क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं हम। 1 से 50 तक क्वेश्चन होते हैं, पता ही होगा आपको। तो बताइएगा कितने स्कोर आपके बन रहे हैं। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन को आंसर देखने से पहले आप जो है अपना आंसर जरूर दीजिएगा स्क्रीन पॉज करके। पहला है, एज पर आर्टिकल 368 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया द पार्लियामेंट में अमेंड एनी प्रोविजन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बाय वे ऑफ एडिशन वेरिएशन रिपेयर सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट यूजिंग ऑफ द कोड गिवन बिलो। तो इन तीनों के द्वारा करता है तो ऑप्शन आपका हो जाएगा डी। नेक्स्ट है, with reference to the procedure of the amendment of Constitution of India, consider the following statement. पहला है, amendments made under Article 3 of the Constitution require the consent of at least half of the state legislature. And second, federal provision of the Constitution can be amended only if they are ratified by the legislature of at least half of the state. Which of the following is correct? देखिए, फर्स्ट तो इनकरेक्ट होगा इसमें, बिकॉज सम ऑफ द आर्टिकल इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया कैन बी अमेंड बाय द सिंपल मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट, है ना, नॉट ओनली फॉर आर्टिकल 3 है। तो अमेंडमेंट मेड अंडर आर्टिकल 3 बिलोंग टू द कैटेगरी। आर्टिकल 3 सेज द पार्लियामेंट में बी may by law form a new state by separation of territory from any state, or by uniting two or more state or part of the state, or by uniting any territory to part of the any state, है ना। तो ये तो होगा नहीं। तो सेकंड इज राइट एंड फर्स्ट इज रॉन्ग, देन आंसर विल बी सी नहीं, डी। Because the Constitution of India provide reservation of seats for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in which of the following? किसमें देता है रिजर्वेशन, बताइए। लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर असेंबलीज या फिर स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर काउंसिल। तो देता है लोकसभा में, सॉरी लोकसभा, हाँ लोकसभा होता है ना, लोकसभा तो देता ही है। स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर में राज्यसभा में नहीं देता, एंड स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर काउंसिल में भी नहीं। तो ये होता है कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी में। तो हो जाएगा आंसर आपका 135 से। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in context of the procedure to amend the constitution as laid down under article 368 of the constitution of India, consider the following statement. A bill to amend the constitution of India can be introduced only parliament, is right. And second, um, be passed through a joint sitting of the parliament if president give him prior permission, not be sent back by the president for the reconsideration of the parliament. And fourth, be introduced only by minister and not a private member of the house. Which statement is right? First is correct. No. Article 368 Constitutional Amendment Bill can only be introduced in either House of Parliament, Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. And second, be passed through a joint sitting. No, constitutional amendment bill must be passed by each of house parliamentary separately by the special majority. Then answer will be wrong. Second is wrong. And third not be sent by the parliament for the reconsideration of parliament. So an amendment bill goes to the president for his assent. In case of such bill, the president has no powers to send back for reconsideration. Then answer will be ये भी wrong है. And fourth क्या है? Fourth is also incorrect because an amendment bill can be introduced either by a minister or by a private member of the parliament. तो ये भी wrong. Only one is wrong. 3 is right ना, 3 तो सही है. ये क्या हो गया? Not be sent back the president for the recognition. not नहीं देखा, sorry for that. 1 and 3 is right. Answer will be C. Next है overseas Indian can exercise franchise in an election to Lok Sabha under which of the following condition? They must be a citizen of India. Their names must figure in the electoral roll. They must be present in India to vote. Select the correct option. Answer will be all is okay. They must be citizen of India. The name must be figure in the electoral roll. Okay. In contrast to the Indian polity, plurality system must most appropriately refer to which of the following? A system in which a political parties get seat in proportion to the percentage of the votes secured by it. B. An electoral system in which a candidate must secure a majority of the total votes to be declared elected. A system in which the leader who enjoy the majority support in the House of People, lower house is appointed as the Prime Minister. And D. An electoral system in which the candidate who secured the highest number of votes is declared elected. Answer 6. D is okay. An electoral system in which the candidate who secured the highest number of votes is declared elected. Next है consider the following provisions. Adding a clause to Article 13, creation of legislature council in state, changing the composition of membership in GST council. How many of the above provisions require the constitutional amendment under the provision of Article 368 of the Constitution of India? 1, 2, 3. कौन कौन से provisions? So first is right, adding of the clause of Article 3 is right, and second is incorrect because creation or abolition of a legislative council in a state can be done by a simple majority. Okay, सिंपल मेजोरिटी जो कि 368 के अंतर्गत नहीं आता, तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. चेंजिंग द कंपोजिशन ऑफ मेंबरशिप इन जीएसटी काउंसिल, यस, तो 1 and 3 is right, then answer will be 2. In India, election of which of the following are held in accordance with the method of proportion presented by the mean of single transferable vote? President, Vice President, members of Rajya Sabha, Speaker of Lok Sabha, member of State Legislative Council. Which statement is correct? 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. आंसर विल बी प्रेसिडेंट होते हैं, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी होते हैं, एंड मेंबर्स ऑफ राज्यसभा भी होते हैं, बट स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा नहीं होते हैं. एंड 4, 5 इज राइट, मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल. देन आंसर विल बी ए. Next, in the context of Indian polity, consider the following statement. First, the 36th Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 was enacted to provide full-fledged statehood to Sikkim. And second, constitutional amendment is required under the Article 368 of the Constitution of the India to admit new state into the Indian Union. आंसर करिए. बोथ आर राइट, ये सही बात है, और एक्सप्लेनेशन भी सही, ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट 10, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट. 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1985, 61st Constitutional Amendment Act 1989, and 91st Constitutional Amendment Act 2003. How many of the above amendments deal with the provision related to anti-defection law in India? कौन कौन से एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ इन इंडिया से रिलेटेड है? तो इसमें पहला है 52nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट, तो पता ही होगा 1985 का, और सेकेंड नहीं होगा इसमें. तो क्या था इसमें, तो वोट की एज वो घटा दी गई थी ना 21 से 18. और 91st है जिसमें क्या कहा गया था, 2/3 पार्टी मेंबर टू इनको मर्जर ऑफ द रिकॉग्नाइज. ये नहीं है, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 and 3 is right. Answer will be B. The Constitution 71st Amendment Act 1992 amend the 8th schedule to the Constitution of include which of the following language? कोंकणी, मणिपुरी, नेपाली, मैथिली। 71st अमेंडमेंट में कौन-कौन सी भाषाएं जोड़ी गई थी? तो इसमें जोड़ा गया कोंकणी, मणिपुरी एंड नेपाली। नमक है फार्मूला, बाकी मैथिली नहीं थी इसमें। किसमें जोड़ी गई थी बताइएगा? तो आंसर है with the reference to the Indian polity, which of the following provisions were introduced in the Indian Constitution through the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976? Extension term of the House of the People from 5 years to 6 years, and requirement of a minimum of 7 judges for the purpose of determining the constitutional validity of any central law, introduction of 10 fundamental duties under 4A, Part 4A, and removal of the right to property from Part 3rd of the Constitution. बाकी कूट दिया गया, चूज करिए विच इज राइट। पहला तो सही है, ये तो क्या पीपल फ्रॉम 5 ईयर टू 6 ईयर, यस, इसको जो है बढ़ाया गया था, एंड सेकंड भी राइट है, एंड थर्ड इज आल्सो राइट, बट फोर्थ क्या है? रिमूवल ऑफ द राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी फ्रॉम पार्ट 3rd ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ये किस में था? ये तो 44th अमेंडमेंट था ना, 42nd में नहीं था। ये तो गलत हो जाएगा, 1 and 2 3 हो जाएगा राइट। नेक्स्ट है, विद रेफरेंस टू द इंडियन पॉलिटी कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजंस। फर्स्ट है, introduction of the doctrine of basis structure of the constitution, imposition of 50% limit of reservation in public employment, and formulation of the concept of the creamy layer regarding reservation in public employment, and fourth, the recognition of right to privacy as a fundamental right, classification of action under the civil and criminal contempt of court. How many of the above provisions were the result of judicial interpretation of the constitution? 2, 3, 4, all 13. First is right, ये तो हुआ था, and second is also right, and third is also correct, and fourth is also correct. Classification of action under the civil and civil criminal contempt of court incorrect है. The Contempt of Court Act 1971 defined contempt and outlined procedure of the addressing it, classifying contempt as the either civil or criminal, not based on the judicial interpretation. Then answer will be 4. C. Next, with reference to the election system, India, consider the following statement. India adopt first past the post system to elect representative to the Lok Sabha and state legislature. Second, first past of the post election system provide for more suitable stable government compared to the proportional representative method of election. Third, unlike the proportional representation system, the first past of post system allows voter to know their representative and hold them accountable. Which of the following statement is correct? Both second and third is correct, and correct explanation of first. Both second and third is are correct, but not one of them explain first statement, and only one of the second and third is correct and the explain first. Answer will be both are right and correct explanation of first. Next, with reference to the anti-defection law in the India, consider the following statement. The law specifies that a nominated legislature cannot join any political party within 6 months being appointed to the House. The law does not provide any time frame within which of the presiding officer has the decide to defection case. कौन सा करेक्ट है इसमें से 15 का? First is wrong, because a nominated member of House shall be disqualified for being a member of the House if he join any political party after the expiry of 6 months. ठीक है, and the law does not provide any time frame within which the presiding officer to have decided defection case. Yes, second is right. With the reference to the pressure group, consider the following statement. Their objective is to influence legislature, executive, and other decision making through methods such as lobbying, petitioning, and strike. Unlike political parties, pressure groups do not aim to directly acquire or exercise political power. In India, it is mandatory for all pressure groups to register under the Society Regulation Act 1960. First is right. Their objective is to influence legislature, executive, and other decision making through methods such as lobbying, petition, petitioning, and strike. Yes, and second, second is also correct. Unlike political parties, pressure groups do not aim to directly require to exercise political power. Third is wrong. In India, it is mandatory. No, it is not mandatory. Then answer will be one and second. Consider the following statement with reference to the ruler related to exit poll in India. पहला है the Representation of the People Act 1951 prohibits the conduct of exit poll until the 24 hours after the last polling booth close. No exit poll can be published by any newspaper or news channels under any circumstances during the voting period. Yes, both is right. No, first is wrong. ये जो है first wrong है because exit poll or survey conduct ये तो पता ही होगा ना conduct by voters as they leave a polling stations during the election. These poll provide early trend of the election result before official rule. The inception of the exit poll in India track back to 1957 during the second Lok Sabha, not in Paper Representative Act first. तो ये second is right and first is wrong. Next, consider the following. Public interest group are recognition working to advance common interests shared across society. Sectional interest group are recognized that seek to promote the interest of the particular section of or group. Which statement is correct? Both are correct. Next, with the aim of stabilizing a more equitable society, the government of India abolished the privy purses and privilege of the rulers of the pre-independence Indian states through which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act? 26th Constitutional Amendment Act या first Constitutional Amendment Act या फिर 24th and 44th. It comes to 26th Constitutional Amendment Act. Consider the following statement. The Chief Election Commission of India is appointed by the President of the recommendation of a three-member selection committee headed by the Chief Justice of India, has the authority to vote the decision of other election commission in case of difference of the opinion of any matter before the election commission, can be removed by the president only on the ground of violation of the constitution. Which one of the right? 3, 1, 3, 1, 2 and none. Answer will be none. D. कोई सही नहीं है. First is incorrect because it is appointed by the President of India. Appointed by the President of India under recommendation of the three-member committee? No. On the President, on the recommendation of three-member selection committee comprising the Prime Minister, the Union Home Minister, and the leader of the largest opposition in Lok Sabha. And second is also incorrect because as per the 10 of the Chief Election Commission and other Election Commissioner Act 1993 की तरह था, ये तो था नहीं, और ये can be removed by President only. No, subject to provision of sub sections, तो इस तो है. एक जो है ये जो रिमोट किया जाता है like manner and like ground and judge of the Supreme Court. The Chief Election Commission can be removed from the office in like manners and like ground आप है a judge of the Supreme Court. The provision under the Article 350A of the Constitution of India related to right to any section of the citizens to preserve its distinct language and culture, right of the Sikh community to carrying and wearing of kirpan, and third, provision of providing facilities for instruction in mother tongue at primary stage to children, freedom of minority managed educational institutions from discrimination in the matter of receiving aid from the state. 21st. Answer will be C. Provision for providing facility for instruction in mother tongue in primary stage of children. With reference to the political party in India, consider the following statement. A candidate of a political party can contest election in India only if the party is recognized by Election Commission of India. Second, the national party status of the political parties is revised by the Election Commission of India every year based on the poll of performance of parties. Which of the statement is given correct? Neither one nor two is correct. First is incorrect because a candidate of registered and recognized political parties can contest the election. The difference lies in the number of proposals required for the nomination for a condition of recognized national or state party. Only one proposal is required for the nomination. Okay. And second is incorrect because the national party state a political party revised by okay. No, in the election commission review after every 10 year instead of the every year. Okay. Which of the following powers function are vested in the Election Commission of India? Transfer of public officials who have been assigned any electoral duty. Determining the schedule of the general election, delimitation electoral constituencies, preparation of electoral rolls for local body election. कौन सा करेक्ट है 1 2 2 3 4 and 1 3 4 and 1 2 3. First is right and second is also right. Delimitation of electoral constitution is wrong. Delimitation carries out by the independent statutory body called the Delimitation Commission. Okay. And next, preparation for electoral roll for local bodies election is also incorrect. The Election Commission of India is not responsible for the conduct of the local bodies election. 1 and 2 is right. Next, with reference to the various provisions contained in Part 17th of the Constitution of India, consider the following statement. Hindi in Devanagari script is to be the official language of the Union. The state legislature can authorize the use of any official language of the state with respect to judgment passed by the state high court. First is right and second is wrong because Article 348 specifies the language to be used in High Court and other courts within a state. The governor of a state, with the previous consent of the president, can authorize the use of Hindi or other official language of the state. One is right only. With reference to the Home Guard, consider the following. Home Guard are raised under the Home Guard Act and rule of the central government. Is this right? No, it's the incorrect because Home Guard are raised under the Home Guard Act and rule of the Union Territory, not in central government. And second, the role of the Home Guard is to serve as the auxiliary force to the police in maintenance of the internal security. Yes, this is right. To prevent the filtration of the international border coastal areas, border wing Home Guard battalions have been raised in some state. Yes, this is correct. Then answer will be 2. Next, with reference to the essential feature of democratic election, which of the following statements are correct? Um, Every vote should have equal vote value. Yes. Election must be conducted in free and fair manner. Yes. Voting have the freedom for choice. Yes. Candidates must meet a minimum educational qualification. No, no any educational qualification is required. Then answer will be A. Next, 27th. Which of the following details are provided in the affidavit of the candidate during election? Detail of the serious criminal case pending against the candidate, information about the asset and liabilities of the candidate and their family, the candidate passport number and travel history, educational qualifications of the candidate, the candidate detailed medical history, which is required. First, detail of the criminal case and pending against the candidate. Okay, this is right. And information about the assets and liabilities of the candidate and their family. Candidate passport number. No, it's not important. Educational qualification of the candidate. Yes, this is important. And the candidate detailed medical history. No. So then answer will be 1 to 4. B. Next. With reference to the voter variable paper audit trial system, consider the following statement. It provides a printed slip consisting of name of the voter candidate and election symbol of the candidate when a vote is cast. It was introduced for the first time during the 2014 Lok Sabha election in India. Which statement is given is correct? Neither one nor two is correct. Okay. A VVPAT system is designed to provide voters with a paper printed out of their voter. ठीक है? And it was introduced for the first time. Did you know? It was VVPATs with EVMs were first used in the by-election for 51 Noksen Assembly constituency of Nagaland in 2013. The Constitution of India enumerates various provisions for safeguarding the right of the scheduled tribes. In this context, the DPSP especially mandates the state to promote the economic interest of the state, and according to the Constitution of Right, reservation of promotion for the ST in government job a fundamental right. The Constitution of India make it mandatory for some state of appoint a minister in charge of tribal welfare. Which statement is correct? 29. First is right and second is wrong. Why? Because the right to reservation in promotion of ST in government jobs is not fundamental right. You know? So this is not right. And third is right. Then answer will be 1 and 3. Next. Consider the following statement. National Voter Day in India celebrated in 25 January. Is this right? Yes, correct. And second, on 25th January 1950, India became one of the few countries to grant a universal adult safeguard. No, it's incorrect. India granted universal adult safeguard right to vote for all in the Constitution of India, which comes into effect on January 26, 1950. Then only one is right. First is correct and second is incorrect. For election to Lok Sabha, a nomination paper can be filed by anyone residing in India, resident of the constituency from which of the election to be contested, any citizen of India whose name appear in the electoral roll of the constituency, any citizens of India. Any citizens of India whose name appears in the electoral roll of constituency. With reference to the other 106th Constitutional Amendment Act 2023, consider the following statement. It reserves 33% of total seat in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and State Legislature Assembly of Women. The Act specifies the reservation for women will be placed of 15 years from the Date of implementation. It provides for rotation of the reserved seat women after each deliberation. 312 and 23 and 123. Which one is right? First is wrong. Uh, because the Acts reserve 33% seat in the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies and legislative assembly national territory of Delhi. There is no constitutional provision for reservation of any kind in Rajya Sabha or state legislative council. And 2, 3 is right, then answer will be 2 and 3. Next, regarding the special provision with respect to Delhi under Article 239A of the Constitution of India, consider the following statement. First, the special provision with respect to Delhi are based on the recommendation of the S. Balakrishna Committee 1987. Is this right? First is right. And second, the Chief Minister of National Capital Territory of Delhi is appointed by the Lieutenant Governor. And no, Chief Minister and Minister of Delhi are appointed by the President of India. And in case of difference of opinion between the Lieutenant Governor and Council of Ministers of any matter, Lieutenant Governor shall refer the matter to President of India for the decision. Yes, this is correct, and answer will be 1 and 3 is correct. A. Next, in the context of India, consider the following. First statement, the Seventh Constitutional Amendment Act declares several regions of the India as union territory. Yes, this is correct. And second, State Recognition Commission recommended classifying India administrative unit into two categories, that is state and union territory. This is also correct, and a correct explanation of first, then answer will be A. Which one of the following is not a source of political legitimacy? Consent, rational prudence, and political will of the ruler and public reason. This answer will be political will of the ruler. Next, in the contest of making of the Indian Constitution, the Munshi Iyengar formula is related to the issue of tribal right, universal adult franchise, uniform civil code, and official language of union. It comes official language of union. Consider the following Indian language: Marathi, Assami, Bengali, Pali, Gujarati. How many of the above languages are designed as the classical language by the Government of India? 2, 3, 4, 5. कौन कौन से क्लासिकल लैंग्वेज? अभी तो मराठी हुआ ना, मराठी है, पाली है, असमी है एंड बंगाली. आंसर विल बी 4. नेक्स्ट, with reference to the Indian Constitution, consider the following statement. 97th Constitutional Amendment Act related to the cooperative society was struck down by the Supreme Court as the unconstitutional and why. Second, cooperative society are mentioned in list second of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. Third. First is incorrect. Not in 97th Amendment. 97th Amendment Act of 2011 extend to both single state and multi-state cooperative societies. However, the cooperative societies within single state fall under the state list. The Supreme Court in Union of India versus Rajendranath Shah upheld this ruling. Okay. And second is correct. Cooperative society are mentioned list second of the same schedule of the Constitution of India. With reference to the election procedure in India, consider the following responsibilities: preparing the electoral roll of the voters, receiving the nomination of candidate, overseeing the vote counting and result declaration. How many of the above are function of the returning officer in an electoral constituency? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 39. um, इसमें क्या होगा? प्रिपेयरिंग वाले इलेक्टोरल रोल ऑफ वोटर, इज दिस राइट? With reference to the election process in India, consider the following responsibilities: receiving nomination of candidates, overseeing the vote counting and result declaration, preparing for electoral roll of voter, seeing the nomination and candidates. If second and third is right, then answer will be 2. And with reference to the process of election in India, consider the following statement about Model Code of Conduct. Um, it is legally binding framework to govern the conduct of both political parties and individual candidates. This is incorrect. Political parties and candidates are expected to adhere to the guideline. MCC is not legally enforceable as the lack of statutory backing, and it comes into the force immediately after the election commission announced the election schedule. Yes, it recommends the force until the election results are announced. Yes, and third, it applies to all the organizations full or partially founded by the government of India. This is also correct. Answer will be 2, 3, 4. 41st, it is the governor of the state who recognize and declare any community of the state as a scheduled tribe. And second, a community declared as the scheduled tribe in a state need not to be so in another state. Answer will be 1 is wrong, because according to the Article 344 42 Constitution of India, the president not be governor of the state, maybe president होगा not be. Second is right, then answer will be B. Next, in context of the anti-defection law in India, consider the following statement: the deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha will disqualify under the 10th schedule. He voluntarily gives up membership of his/her political party. A member of parliament can be disqualified on the ground of the defection of he/she publicly express support for another party by attending its rallies. First statement is incorrect, because deputy chairman of the council of state होगा ना यहाँ पे, नहीं होगा, deputy chairman of the council of state. And second is right, answer will be B. With reference to the following statement is not correct. Which of the following statement is not correct? Reference to the Parliamentary Committee of the Official Language. It was constituted under the provision of Official Language 1963. No, it is chaired by the Union Home Minister and has members from both House of Parliament. No, its primary purpose to make a recommendation for increase the use of Hindi for all official purpose. This is right ना? पूछा है गलत. It submit its report to Speaker of Lok Sabha. No. Because this committee sent its report to the President under the provision of Official Language Act 1963. And next, consider the following statement: while campaigning in election, a candidate cannot appeal to voters in name of caste or religion, spend more than 95 lakhs in Lok Sabha election, use government vehicle, promise gadget like laptops to certain section of people. 1 2 3 1 3 and 2 3 4 1 3 4 कौन सा सही है इसमें? Answer will be first, appeal to voters in the name of caste or religion, spend more than 95 lakhs in Lok Sabha election, use government vehicle, and fourth is wrong. 1 2 3 is right. Next, which of one of the following amendment to the Constitution of India has introduced reservation in education and in public employment for people for uh, economically weaker sections of society? ये तो आया था द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 103rd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट में ना. What will happen in a case when a candidate contesting the election dies before the actual polling? क्या होता है? Adjournment of poll only if the nominee was a candidate of the recognized political party. Adjournment of polls only if the nominee was a candidate of the only a registered political party. Adjournment of the poll only if the contesting person was an independent candidate. There is no adjournment of the poll in any case. Answer will be A. Adjournment of the poll only if the nominee was a candidate of the recognized political party. 47 है, in context of India consider the following statement. As per the constitution, only language mentioned in the 8th schedule can be the official language of the communication between state and union. And second, if first is right, wrong ना, आर्टिकल 347 हिंदी और एनी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज होता है ना कि ओनली इंग्लिश में. The president may direct any language spoken by the section of population of a state to be officially recognized throughout the state of any part of their force. Answer will be B. And 48. With reference to Armed Force Special Power Act, PASPA 1958, consider the following statement. Only the Parliament has the power to declare an area as the disturbed area under PASPA. No. The central government or governor of state administer the union territory can declare the whole or part of the state or union territory as disturbed area. And the act clearly defined what constitutes a disturbed area in a state of union territory. हाँ, तो ये भी गलत है. स्टेट ने डिफाइड करा था. PASPA implement the disturbed area. However, the disturbed area is not clearly defined as the act. Merely mentioned disturbed area as one with declared by the notification under the section 3 of PASPA. Next, 49. Which of the following committees submitted reports of electoral reform? Dinesh Goswami and Tarkunde Committee and Indrajit Gupta and Balwant Rai Mehta. Answer will be C. ये थे दिनेश गोस्वामी, तारकुंडे एंड इंद्रजीत गुप्ता. बलवंत राय तो नहीं है. किससे थे बलवंत राय बताइए. 1, 2, 3 is right. Who among the following has the power to cancel the general election in entire country of a specific constituency of the ground that the atmosphere is vitiated and therefore a free and fair election may not be possible? The Union Cabinet, Parliament of India, the President of India, Election Commission of India. Answer will be D. The Election Commission of India. तो 50 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो गए. कितने मार्क्स आए आपके बताइए जरूर. और वीडियो पसंद आता है लाइक से सब्सक्राइब किया करिए और प्लीज शेयर करिए थोड़ा. ठीक है, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तो तक जय हिंद, जय भारत.